Hi guys, this is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. If you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe and let me know in the comments down below what kind of video tutorials you would like to see. I'm going to use this beautiful silk scarf Hermes with a symmetrical print. It is a little bit tricky to wear it with this kind of print, but the interesting thing about it that when you fold it in a triangle, you can use 4 different prints. For example, here we can see a really huge colorful wing taking up almost all the space. And to show it, we can wear it as a babushka style, for example. If we fold our triangle different direction, we can see hind legs, backside, and a part of wing which we can use as a band. And here we can see the wing as a colorful band and a little wing in the middle. I really like it. This side I'm going to use in this tutorial. For the first style, we tie the ends and place the scarf on our shoulders, just like this. Et voila, you are ready to go. This style is really show off the drawing of our scarf. The second style comes from the first one. We just pull the scarf down to bring out Pegas forward. The third style is a little different. I really like this little wing and I want to make an accent. We cross the end behind, bring it forward and make a knot. And now we hide it under the fold and bring forward the little wing and the colorful band. Et voila, it's ready! If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you like this kind of video, consider to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!